Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simply CM, and today is Sunday, day off ko kaya may oras tayo, and I'm having a little bit of break guys sa kalilinis dito. Hindi ko pa rin mapakita lahat talaga kasi medyo ano pa rin, makalat pa din, ang dami naming gamit at tapos ang liit lang ng lugar. But anyway, yeah, break time na muna. Gumawa ako ng kape guys. Kape to, parang hindi obvious pero kape yan. Ang sarap. It's a mixture of coffee, milk, and then sa itaas may pa-cream pa ako, ganyan. Tapos, may pa ganito din. Sarap. So, I don't know if you know guys, mahilig akong manood ng mga documentary, mga crime documentary, mga ganyan. Yun talaga yung mga gusto kong panoorin, nakaka-excite, hindi nakaka-excite, pero medyo, it's super interesting to actually see what the human brain can do. Ganyan. So now I'm gonna start. The story for today is about Cody Johnson and the wife Jordan. Hindi ko alam ano ang last name ni Jordan, pero mag-asawa sila. So backstory, itong si Cody, hindi ko mo-pronounce na maayos, but itong si Cody guys, he grew up in San Jose. It's apparently a big place doon sa US. He's living with his mom, tapos siya, so silang dalawa lang. Pero at some point, the mother of Cody decided that they're gonna move somewhere kasi daw sa San Jose, it's starting to be so crowded at tapos madami daw crimes, ganyan. So to make him safe, to make the family safe, the mom and him, because it's just the two of them, so they moved to Montana. And Montana is apparently a place where it's more of parang probinsya ba. It's more of province, not so much people, ganyan. Pero may national park sila doon na parang very popular sa tourist. It's called Glacier. But anyway, it's a national park where pwede kang mag-hike, ganyan. So itong si Cody, he's very extroverted. Madali siya mag-isama sa mga tao, medyo maingay siya, he love car, ganyan. Yung taong, open sa lahat, ganyan. So yun siya. Tapos, nung nag-move sila sa, So, doon na sila tumira sa Montana, that area. Tapos, they go to church, ganyan. Tapos, ang nangyari is, he met Jordan in the church. That's how they've met. Kasi, tapos ito naman si Jordan, he's very introvert, total opposite sa kay Cody. Siya, very quiet, very shy, very introvert. Tapos pag may mga bagong kakilala, medyo, alam mo yung parang timid, hindi masyadong nagsasalita kasi nga nahihiya, ganyan. So even if their personality is like opposite sa isa't isa, but itong si Cody, sobrang na-attract talaga siya doon kay, inom na muna. So, itong si Cody, na-attract talaga siya kay Jordan. So, in 2011, they started like officially dating. Medyo mabilis din. 2011, nag-start dating sila. 2012, nag-engage sila. 2014, they got married. Like outdoor wedding. Ganyan. And then, sarap talaga niya, promise. Tapos 2000, 2011, 12, so, yeah, 2013, they got married. Outdoor, and every family members, friends, and all that, they could see that, like, it's a very nice wedding, but they could see that Cody is happier sa wedding kumpara sa isa. But then they also think that maybe Jordan is just, she's just shy and she didn't really like it because they were like the center of attention, ganyan. Pero si Cody, sobrang happy, all smile, ganyan. But then again, after 8 days nakasal sila, ito na, may nangyari na. Inom muna. So yun nga guys, after 8 days, si Cody of course may work. Yung boss niya, tumatawag kasi hindi siya nagpuntang work. He went, AWOL ba tawag no? Nag-absent siya, pero hindi siya nag-inform why, nothing. So yung boss niya, ang name is Cameron, I think, tumawag sa phone, pero hindi nagsagot. Yung si Cody, ring lang ng ring yung phone. But then, even if he's the boss and the other one is just like a worker, pero they are very good friends, ganyan. So, naging concern siya because hindi yan gawain daw ni Cody na parang hindi niya gawain na parang hindi sumasagot ng phone, hindi nagpupuntang work, ganyan. So, ang nangyari, pumunta siya doon, tapos, nakita niya na hindi daw sumasunod, kumatok siya doon, ganyan. But then, walang sagot, wala lahat. Pero nakita niya yung phone daw ni Cody is nasa garage area. And that is not normal because, you know, like us, yung phone talaga natin lagi talagang kasama natin. Hindi yan nilalagay lang lagay sa, you know, sa somewhere. So, nung nakita niya, parang kinabahan siya. So, what he did, he went to the police station. Sinabi niya na this is a very weird situation. Cody, my friend, I'm the boss, but he's also my friend. He didn't go to work today. I called many times. Nothing. I feel like he's missing. And I've also called their friends, their families, nothing. Nobody knows where Cody is. And he also tried to call the wife, but the wife did not answer. So, ang nangyari, yung mga police, including Cameron, the boss, the friend, went there. And then when they went there, in the house of Cody, they realized that the wife of Cody was actually there, sitting like calmly, as if nothing happened. And then they asked the wife, her name's Jordan. They asked if she'd seen Cody, and then she said no. The last time she saw Cody was last night. After they have attended there's a church event, and then afternoon, she said on the way home, parang may nakausap daw si Cody sa phone, and he was like mad sa person na kausap niya sa phone. And then when they got home, she said that she realized that she forgot her charger sa workplace niya, so she had to go back to the workplace. And then when she came back, Cody was also like on the way out. Parang sumakay siya sa parang black sedan car na parang ang plate number daw is parang Washington plate number, hindi daw sa lugar nila. So parang napaisip yung mga police na parang, oh, maybe Cody is actually involved into drugs. Kasi sabi nga nila yung parang plate number na from Washington is where hindi yung plate number, parang the drugs in that area there, normally, sa record nila is nanggagaling siya Washington State, City. Inom muna ako. So anyway, the police people, they called, the people who's like related to drugs. Like, they even went to the mountain area, but then nobody saw him. There's just really no connection at all. So, ano pa bang nangyari doon? Basta ang weird lang, hindi nila mahanap, and they don't know kung saan sila magsisimula. Tapos the wife naman, she doesn't have any idea, ganyan. Pero they noticed that the wife is so calm about it. Like super calm na parang, I don't know where my husband is, but what I know is I've seen him na sumakay sa sakyan na color black, tapos yun na, pero parang wala lang sa kanya ba? Tapos yung mga may talk of the town na dinotice nga that during the wedding, Jordan was actually not looking happy at all. Basta may mga ganun-ganun na parang may nagduda-duda na, but then they can't really do much kasi yung duda-duda tapos walang evidence, wala din yun. So ang nangyari, but she's really weird. That's how they describe her. She's really, really weird. So ang nangyari, so they've been looking, ganyan, still wala. And then one day, One day, this Jordan contacted the police and just said, you know what, I received an email. It's a very, very strange email. Guys, so she received an email from carmantony@gmail.com. Ewan ko, basta sa Google, ganyan, Gmail. Tapos ang sabi daw that, you don't need to look for your husband anymore because I'm just gonna be honest with you. We went on a drive, like, because as I said earlier, ito si, ano ang pangalan niya? Oh my God. Itong si Cody, mahilig siya sa mga sasakyan, ganyan. So parang prinisend dun sa email that their group of friends that they went for a night out drive doon sa mountain area. Tapos ang nangyari daw, si Cody, nag-stop sila, they took a break, and then they decided to, hike a little bit, and then Cody fell down doon sa cliff, doon, and he died. Kaya daw, no need to look for him because he's already dead. So parang ganun lang yung pagkasabi ba? So parang it's just weird. So ngayon, yung mga police, chinek nila yung parang email na yun, and when they checked on it, um, this Cody got a friend, na a workmate, that's the name is Tony. So they went and they contacted Tony, and then Tony said, I will never write an email like that, and I will never put in car man, like car man. Tony, that's like so like dumb. So anyway, they cannot connect it, so they've decided to contact Google to like trace the IP address, ganyan. But then again, they said it will take a week before the answer because, ganun talaga daw yung proseso. Inom na muna for being so religious. And then, until this time, nahanap-hanap pa rin yung mga police kung saan na si Cody. And then, one day, the wife, Jordan, said, God will lead me the way to find my husband. Ganyan. And apparently, God talked with her and said, you can find your husband in this area here where there's the cliff, ganyan. The same with the email, parang ganon. So, anong nangyari? So, sumakay sila sa sasakyan with their friends and with, I think, brother ata. I'm not sure if it's a brother or parang basta family member ni Cody. So, andun sila sasakay. But the weird part is, normally, pag may nawala and you're on the way to find it, diba medyo sad ka? But this one is like, this Jordan, while they were riding, ganyan, she was just so happy, she was singing, she was putting the window down sa car, tapos yung kamay nasa labas, ganyan. Parang joyride lang, ganyan. So, parang weird talaga. But then again, people said that people grieve differently. So, but anyway, it's just weird. So, nangyari, sabi ni John, okay, mag-stop na tayo. I think God is telling me that it has to be in this area. So, this Jordan, the wife, just went automatically to an area where it's called Yes. Yes, so itong si Jordan automatically like, okay, dito mag-stop na tayo, and then we're gonna walk in that area there, and then they went to the place where there's like a loop trail that it's actually very dangerous. There's a lot of warning sign that you're not allowed to be there or extra careful, ganyan, because it's very rocky and hindi stable yung lupa doon. So if you make one mistake, you could fall down and die, ganyan. So pumunta siya doon, automatic, ganyan. Parang alam niya talaga where to go. Tapos bigla siyang sumigaw like, oh my gosh, ganyan, oh my gosh, I think it's him. Tapos 12 foot below ba? No, 200 pala, 200 foot below, nakita nila na parang may body na nakahiga doon, ganyan. So they contacted the police and all that, but they cannot really go there because it's about to be evening time. And everything is dark in there, so some of the police members, they had to stay there and guard the place, and then the next day, so that's the time, and it's very dangerous, guys. It's like very 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 ganito daw, so they have to put a rope connected to the tree, and then so they could go down, and then they found out nga that it is Cody, ganyan. But the weird part is when they look at him, he apparently got a lot of wounds on sa legs niya. Tapos may parang they found a small piece of parang blindfold cloth na malapit sa head niya doon. So people were like, that's a bit weird. If you go hiking or something, why would you have like a piece of cloth that looks like blindfold? Like, you're not gonna go hike or something with a blindfold on. That's like weird. But then again, there is a story about that because one of the workmates of Cody said on that night, apparently Cody was like so extra happy, and he said that, oh, I gotta go home early because it's like they're gonna go to the church gathering, and then after that the wife have a surprise for him. Okay? May ganun pala na story. The wife got a surprise for him. So it's like somehow like that's a bit weird. And then another person, then let's talk about there's another woman. She is the ano bang tawag ng bridesmaid? No, not bridesmaid. Maid of honor. The maid of honor that's like the closest friend Jordan got. She said that on the day of the wedding, Jordan was apparently not happy at all. So ito lang pala guys, let me tell you, it's so crazy. Jordan is apparently not happy at all. She was like, am I making the right decision? Am I ready for this? Kasi nga, as I said earlier, this Jordan, she's very, very religious, and Cody is also like a nice guy, a nice boy. So, because they're so religious, they did not, they were practicing abstinent. Is that the word? Abstinent? You know, where you wait to have sex until you get married. Yung ganon. So, ang nangyari, so during the wedding, this Jordan has been telling the girl, the maid of honor, that she feel like she's not ready for it because she's so religious and she've never tried it before. So she was like, am I ready for this? I don't feel like I'm... Cody and Jordan, before they got married, they were practicing abstinence. Is that the word? Yeah, abstinence. It's like they have to wait before they have to wait to get married before they will indulge into sex. Simple like that. But then it turned out, so anyway, let's just cut it short. Ang nangyari is si Jordan, blindfold niya pala si Cody at tapos parang, oh, may surprise ako dito sa'yo in this area, ganyan-ganyan. And it's just the two of them. And then she pushed him doon. Tapos nahulog siya, naka-blindfold kasi nga may surprise, ganyan. But it turned out na may balak pala siyang masama. Itong si Jordan, pinush niya yung kanyang husband for 8 days already. Tapos doon, namatay. Of course, diba? But anyway, ang reason niya is so stupid. Na-realize niya pala na she's too religious and she's not ready for sex. So the night before, I mean the night after their marriage, after their wedding, after their wedding, she pretended that she got menstruation, ganyan. So may blood siya, so hindi pwede. So she's been, you know, prolonging kasi nga hindi pala siya ready talaga. She just feel like it's just weird for her. She's not ready. She's never experienced it before. Ganyan. And because she's a person of very unconfrontational, so instead of actually telling the truth to the husband, admitting what is the problem, ganyan, so she made up a totally different solution. Pwede namang mag-divorce na lang sila, or pwedeng, I don't know, whatever, but hindi naman to the point na you're gonna push the husband to die doon sa nahulog. But anyway, at the end, si Jordan she's in jail, and she's gonna be there for the next 30 years. Pero, for a certain period of time, she will be eligible for parole. So, maybe, baka pwede siya makalabas earlier than 30 years. So, yun yung nangyari. Isn't it just so crazy? So, yun nga guys, yun lang yung reason niya talaga na bakit niya napatay yung kanyang husband, because she's not ready for sex even after marriage. Yun lang. My God. So yun guys, I hope na enjoy nyo yung aking crime story sa araw na ito, and for sure I'm gonna be uploading more later on. So medyo bago siya sa akin, but then again I was just thinking na parang why not make a video out of it, kasi naman yung most of the time na wala akong ginagawa is nanonood talaga ako ng mga ganoong mga topic, yung mga crime, ganyan. Parang ano lang. Ewan ko ba bakit. But yun, thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.